Saturday courts have already commenced in the north and the south. Munkarial, as we said, Munkarial tenancy, mutation, partition cases are being handled on those particular days. Focused approach will start now. Tenancy चे already जवळ north and south म्हणून 450 cases, 451 cases have already come back into various Mamlatdar courts. After we are already introducing a case monitoring software. This monitoring system will take care of the cases directly going in the system, which will have a time bound 3 years for the respective Mamlatdar to act. The cases have been allotted as they come in towards respective Mamlatdars by the collectors. So, the Saturday court or ease of doing business, I think we are on line with what we wanted to do.
So, it has already started?
Already started.
Any action would be taken if no results, if results are not given on the time you have specified, the department has specified?
But don't go very clear, sir. Whatever action needs to be done, systems are being made to reduce these particular cases where people were initially saying the corruption systems are taking care of, which will reduce. I have kept it from day one. Zero nonsense policy will be here. No nonsense policy will be approach will be here. If people are found playing, the responsible authorities are found playing with the people under my department, they will be taken to task. 6-7 mahine tanka ami tancho time dila to settle down with the ideas of the government. Now this will not be taken. As we look at things ahead, if such type of things come to my note, immediate action will be taken on officers who are either getting themselves involved in corruption activities or getting themselves where the local satayata, action 100%.
It would be only north and south or all taluka levels setup of this for the cases to be heard?
All taluka levels. All taluka levels.
These Saturday courts are at taluka level?
Saturday courts are at taluka level. All Mamlatdar and Mamlatdar courts.
Regular चालू असतानाच.
चालू असतानाच. आम्ही एक तकलेन घेतला, unlike this drugs type of scenario which took place some time back. Drug scenario जो झालो गोंयभर, थोडे टेंटेड पुलिस ऑफिसर असल्याशिवाय ते जावूच शकना आशिल्ले. पण समज आसा जाल्यार सीएमान also said की you responsibly reply. I think we will be sending our things to CM as far as this type of issues are concerned. The CM has to act.
So
Similarly, in our departments which we are, we will act.
you accept that there are still some tainted officers in your department also then?
I wouldn't make any charges as of now. We have to give everybody a chance to put cases. Action will be taken.
So have you submitted CM about this tainted police, what you just now said?
I have made my paper ready. I think in this next couple of days I will submit my part related to the constituency and what fair idea I have about certain maybe DYSP or whatever place somewhere or whoever are there in the system who are तांच्या लिंका शिवाय सगळे चलता, MLAs charge करता, लोक charge करता, there is something behind it. So my part of it I will put it to CM.
Even earlier, if I remember, along this stretch of Porbori, you had brought this issue in the assembly also. Beyond Racha Bacha Basta Bate.
In Majat constituency, there are few pockets which these things exist.
Drugs.
The question is where and from where. So rather than this, I think as Siemante Sangla I think the right approach is to give all necessary information, but does not involve only what we have as one part of it. Even if there are some police involved in this, I think it is our part to tell that they are telling.
Sir, recently the former CM has made a comment saying that when you talk about municipality, why Porbori should also not be included as a municipality? When he spoke about PDAs and all, you had already made your stand clear on PDAs. What do you have to say about this?
I think as a MLA was elected from the constituency, I have to look at the rights and things of my people. What other people want to comment who are ex-CMs or whoever they are, let them talk about their constituencies as of now if they want to. But elected representatives in 40 constituencies are there to decide what is good, what is bad. As far as Porbori is concerned, we go with that thing that we need that panchayats to have heaven, be there only, exist. Because we always say that we come in the urban panchayat areas, a mix of urban and rural. Needs are different, requirements are different of urban and rural part, and they come under one panchayat body. So we cannot suddenly think of shifting into something which is absolute. So the urban status amka mela. Urban status and समज आमकां डेव्हलपमेंटाक जितलो रिक्वायरमेंट जाय तो मेळपाक जाय तो मेळटा आनी सद्या मेळटा. There is no question of going into a mode of getting into a PDA or a municipal council. People who are commenting on them, they should I think talk on their own constituencies.